Mermaidle. So we're on the eve of Springs Imbolc here in the Southern Hemisphere, and my girls are waking up earlier now. Right on cue. Hello. Bop, 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 bop. As you can hear, this is my alarm clock in the morning. Hello, puppy. Siggy. And yeah, she'll jump in with the boys, and the boys will be dumbfounded. Luca! Let go fill up the bathtub. Yay! Let go fill up the bathtub. What's the girls doing? Hello! Hi, puppies! Morning! And my boys, hello! Good morning, Fendry! Hello! Anyway, dolls, I need to go and fill up the bathtub for this lot. Yay! Luca! They can actually jump out of these beds anytime, but they're pretty good. They stay in there until it's time for the bath, but they do jump up on the edge and let me know, hey, woman, get out of bed. Come get us. Hello. But one time I was running late, and soon I just couldn't wait. She just jumped out and went straight running to go outside at the back. Anyway, blessed be Mary Pat. I gotta get shit done. You puppy. Oh, my boy. Oh, my little puffin man. Yeah, there's the puffin man. The puffin man. He goes all puffy in the morning. Mary Meaton, Mary Pat.